Hi vlog. We're cooler than Isa. And so is M.
No, you're not even in this.
Like, no, Isa's not that cool, as you can tell, because no one wants to sit next to her.
That's supposed to be Ash.
Yeah, but it's not Ash because she blinked on us.
This is from me. I'm the coolest. Everyone else here sucks. Okay,
Bye.
I'm gonna fast forward all that.
It's the wrong way.
You're nice, so you're fine. But this one,
Oh, you're spelling out my name.
oh, you're so funny. Great, you know how to spell your name. Congrats. Congrats. Today we got everybody's food. We got a flip of a finger. That I don't know what that is. That is
I got some
green.
whatever M got.
That is the same, and I got something delicious.
Masak lemak fettuccine.
I'm so sorry for her pronunciation, everyone.
Okay, Miss Bang.
Okay. We're not eating chicken. It's vegan. Right now we're at Chinatown. M wants to buy that. We're all here.
I'm looking for an I Love KL t-shirt.
Oh yeah, we wanted a rainbow one with a heart, but someone didn't like it. Yeah. Right now we're walking. We're walking. Michelle. It's raining currently. Okay, we're close. Yeah, we're close. So it's fine. Yeah. Wow, you want attention, huh? She quickly ran. Attention. Okay. Now we have time. We currently arrived to Rex KL for the Taylor Swift sing-along. We're walking up to get our bands. We got a goodie bag. Oh my god, that's rich people water. Apparently so. It's in there. And yeah, it's so cute. Now we're gonna go through this book thingy, and we're gonna look at it, the bookstore, and we're gonna look at the settings.
Take me to the lakes where all the poets went to die.
So we went a bit early, so we're gonna go to Central Market first, question mark. I don't know where we're going. I'm trusting her, I don't know why. But yeah. Now we're in Pasar Seni, and they all left her. I'm a real one. I waited for her to tie her shoes.
Not really. You kind of went ahead.
I did, after I realized. But yeah. So now we're here.
And then I could get shaded from the rain.
She wants us to carry her in a baby stroller. No. Like we found like an art gallery thing, and they wrote some stuff.
I just plugged M's jewelry business.
I just wrote meow. We're finally back. We're drenched, everybody. And we made someone take a B-roll picture of us, and it was of him as well. He was so kind. He said, do you want a pretty view or just your beautiful faces? And I was like, oh, I feel so bad for this right now. But yeah. That's a lot of people. It's kind of threatening. Oh my god, there's a lot of smoke. Even from BTS. Oh my god. Do you know the song, Nina? Big fan.
Prize, next prize.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the vlog.
Our voices are kind of.
Voices are kind of finished.
My
as well.
voice is literally gone. I can't.
It was a really fun night. Thank you, Em, for talking about it. And
Yeah.
thank you for coming.
Yeah, I just want to say something. It's so funny when Izza vlogs because whenever she brings it out, like imagine I'm Izza, she'll put it out like this, then she'll realize I'm with her, and she'll have to bring it up like this high, and it's really funny.